Exercise 3. Daily Schedules. You are going to hear a conversation between two friends. As you listen, write down some of the details in the right column. You will need to write a time or length of time, or a few words to describe the activities. Some of the items have already been completed.
How do you spend your day, Tom?
Well, right now I'm in high school, but I also have a part-time job. But I'm pretty busy. I get up early, around 6 a.m. Then I work from 7 until 9. I go to school at 9:30, and I study until 4 p.m. Then I work again from 5 until 7.
So what do you do?
I'm a dog walker.
What? What's that?
A dog walker. I take people's dogs for walks. It's great, and it keeps me in good shape, too.
Then what do you do after 7?
I have supper at 7:30. I start to do my homework at 8. It often takes about an hour and a half to finish the work. Then I watch TV for about 2 hours. I go to bed at 11:30.
Your day is hard, the same as mine is.